I tasted few of your dishes and the food is immaculate here. Let me start by asking you, since Delhi is a metro city, what was your vision behind starting Port Belly?
I was really bored.
Okay.
And I wanted to do something different, and there was no outrageous thought of doing a Bihari restaurant. But it just evolved into that because we built a place in Shapurjat, 4 floors up. You're like, who's going to come to eat something that is very common? So you have to serve something that's special. And then the special thing was my mother's food. But then we had to call it Bihari. We couldn't call it anything else.
As you mentioned, we have heard a lot about your mother, Mamta Sahu ma'am, handing down her own curated recipes. So how have you curated these recipes, maintaining the authenticity of the dishes till date?
We do a lot of quality control. We taste the food repeatedly, refine it, go back to some of the original dishes and see if we can add more flavors to it or add a condiment or things like that. So a lot goes on. We also have a commissary kitchen where we control the quality.
Okay.
Everything comes from the central kitchen and it goes to the various outlets in Delhi NCR.
So how has the Pot Belly restaurant food menu has been curated? Are there only traditional Bihari dishes, or does the menu also intake some fusion dishes?
We've added a couple of dishes just to suit the palate of people in the city, but mostly it's authentic because I didn't want to, tamper with the original recipes. So we kept it as authentic as it can be. And another thing is that, which most people don't know, is that we cook everything in cold pressed mustard oil. Our mustard oil comes from Bihar.
Okay.
And we are almost, like I would say 99% refined oil-free kitchen.
Can you name 5 dishes that you personally recommend for someone visiting Pot Belly for the first time?
Litti chokha has an acquired taste. Most people grow to like it. Then we have something called the fish chokha and marwa roti. It's served with parwal chokha, tomato chokha. Then we have something called the farah. In some places called farah, but we call it bagya in our region. Then the khada masala mutton. In every Bihari home, mutton is cooked practically 4 to 5 days a week. So it's a popular one. Like I can go on. There are so many. Ghugni chura is very pretty trademark.
Okay. Thank you so much for your interview, Pooja. Thank you.
Thank you.